Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we're talking about YouTube again because they are now cracking down on VPN users. And this is all because of the YouTube ID verification that was implemented 13 days ago on August 13th. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you don't know, on August 13th, YouTube did implement their YouTube AI age verification, which requires you to submit a picture ID if the AI does detect that you are under the age of 18. But now YouTube is officially cracking down on VPNs, and this change could affect a lot of YouTube Premium users specifically. Recently, YouTube did send out an email to Premium users, as well as Premium Lite and YouTube Music Premium subscribers, stating that on September 26, 2025, new terms of service are going to be taking effect. And these updates specifically clarified that subscription policies, payment methods, and most importantly, these updates state that your account access should come primarily from the country where you've signed up. Now, why exactly does this matter? Well, a lot of people have actually been using VPNs like NordVPN, for example, to lower the cost of YouTube Premium by switching their locations to country like Argentina, where subscriptions are a lot cheaper. And YouTube's new rule mean that if you're caught actually doing this, your premium plan could be suspended or canceled outright. On top of that, YouTube has also started blocking VPN usage to bypass the age verification checks, since some users are now seeing messages like VPN proxy detected, and in order to continue watching YouTube, you now have to turn off your VPN/proxy, meaning that VPNs aren't just being flagged for price tricks anymore, they're also completely being restricted across the site. But here's the overlining issue behind this. Not everyone uses VPNs to get cheap premium or skip ID checks. Many people simply use them for basic online safety, such as keeping their IP address private. And now YouTube's system doesn't make that distinction. It just detects VPN usage and blocks it. Now, between raising the premium prices, the introduction of Premium Lite, which obviously still has ads, and these VPN restrictions, a lot of users are questioning whether Premium is even worth it anymore. And for creators, this could be bad news too, since so many YouTubers are sponsored by VPN companies like NordVPN and so much more. But if YouTube keeps blocking these VPN access, those sponsorships are going to lose value very quickly. At the end of the day, YouTube is obviously within their rights to enforce these rules, but this is my personal take. These VPN crackdowns are just as much about stopping people from dodging age verification as they are about preventing discounted subscriptions. So if you're a premium subscriber, be careful. Don't rely on a VPN to set yourself in another country because you could risk losing your subscription. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this change. I just feel like I should talk about it since this is my most popular video of all time. And it does directly tie into that AI age verification as well. So I was just keeping you updated. Before you guys do leave this video though, if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.